You're looking at a Prototrak 1840 LX3. I'm going to show you this control a little bit, and then Dan's going to move the lathe around and run it for you. This machine overall is in pretty good shape. It does have a very slight wear on the ways, but it's ever so slight, and I don't think it actually affects the running of the lathe at all, and the precision of it. This is one thing they did. I did not like this. They welded this on there, but that's welded onto a separate block, so this could be removed, obviously, if you wanted to. But they did that because they were drilling with it, and this would keep sliding the block. So overall, this machine's in nice shape. We're going to go ahead and run it for you. Dan, go ahead and move it back and forth. That's with the joystick. Back and forth. And then use the handles, as you can see. And we're going to go ahead and fire up the that's at about 500 RPM. Go ahead and plug in 600 RPM, Dan. Go ahead and do 8. And back to 5. Overall, you can tell the lathe, all you got to do is push in the numbers up there, and it'll. We also have the chuck jaws, the outside, the jaws that go on the front there, and we do have the feet. We do have the cup holders for the feet. And what else do we have? I think we might have a center or something like that, but basically you're getting a 1840 Prototrak lathe in decent shape. This has an LX3 controller, which is the constant surface speed portion of the lathe. And we thank you again for your business. I'll show you the main panel here and draw back on it. One more shot of it. Thank you again for your business, and have a blessed day.